Earlier this year, Urban Leadership Institute and Iago Entertainment presented the film Men to Boys. And of course, the Mark Clark Show was there. What do you think of the movie, man?
The movie was incredible, man. Not only was it incredible in terms of content, it was timely because one of the things that we're seeing is just a spike. Really, you're seeing a spike in children who are without fathers. And we just come from a period where that actually kind of began to quench itself to some degree. But we're seeing some real incredible statistics around the country in terms of murders, and so many of those children who are being murdered, they're being murdered because of that lack of direction. And I think that this video in particular can be utilized as a bullet in the gun, per se, to stop them from being shot by real guns. So, you know, I'm just real impressed with what Lamar and Brother Jinx are doing.
It made me understand that with fathers, with a male being there in my life helped me to understand to respect my mom. He put me in place when I needed to be put in place, and he taught me how to defend myself, how to treat a woman, and how to be there whenever I do things or take responsibility for my actions. And that's what the movie taught me.